What's up, fellow journeyers? So today we're heading from Middle Tennessee down to northern Georgia to the Blue Ridge Mountains, where we're going to be doing something we've never done before: whitewater rafting. And honestly, we may be in a little bit over our heads.
When I call get down, something's about to happen.
I'm gonna be 100% honest. I thought you just rode in the raft. I didn't know this was like technical.
We're also skeet shooting for the first time, cooking some amazing food. We're hiking on trails with some breathtaking views of the mountains and having an awesome time with other RVers. Now, whitewater rafting and taking new adventures can be intimidating.
We're so in trouble.
But it's all part of the journey. It's time to let go and get going. And we cannot wait to take this journey with you.
What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
2 o'clock.
1, 2. What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
3 o'clock.
What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
1 o'clock.
1. What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
Dinner time! You!
What time is it, Mr. Wolf? Dinner time.
Go, JJ, go! Run, JJ, run!
I'm the wolf.
This is like small town off the grid stuff we don't get to see much anymore. This is pretty cool.
That's how I grew up.
It is. I mean, this is what our area we grew up in used to look like, and now a lot of it's really commercialized. All mom and pops here. So we're just barely over the Georgia line because we're only like 10 minutes from where we're staying. I've never seen so many railroads in my life. That's nice. Look at that. Oh, I'm excited. We needed this getaway.
This area we call the porch.
Okay, nice. Yeah, that's the tour.
Georgia's the porch.
The porch?
Porch. You add a couple more.
Oh, yeah. They definitely remodeled this. This is nice. Oh. Bathroom. Oh, cool. Oh, I love this. Wow. Oh, wow. It's like a whole rental by itself down here.
Isn't this fun? I mean, when you get a bunch of RVers together who get space, and this is what is super exciting too, that I have not seen in a very long time.
Yeah. So this is gonna be our room, I think.
Wow, this is fun.
I feel like this is what like the East Tennessee area used to be more of. And now it's just you got gorillas on skyscrapers and the wax museums and all the things going on. So they're nice.
I love my touristy moments. There are times, but then there are times where you just want to get out in nature and feel, oh, the sun just came out. That feels amazing. Yeah,
this is definitely more of a nature experience. And one thing that you can do around here, well, multiple things you can do. I went to a skeet shooting for the first time.
All right, pull.
Yeah! That was pretty awesome. You can also, in addition to doing things like that, we're gonna do something Marissa has never done in her life.
It's been on my bucket list. We're going whitewater rafting. I'm so excited.
Let's see what they did there. Or here's what they're gonna do.
It's only gonna get warmer, right?
So the way this works, from what I understand, from what I remember. So each raft, they're not gonna do a physical presentation for us, I don't think, but each raft holds about 6-ish people. We got 8 people, so we got 2 rafts. I think it's about 3 hours is how long it takes from top to bottom-ish. And you got like a 20-30 minute drive each way, so the whole thing's gonna be like 4+ hours. We're in charge of grabbing our own gear, our own helmets, own jackets, all that kind of stuff. And you know, if you want to, if you're afraid the water's cold, you can put on, don't put it on the wrong way like Bim, but you can put a wetsuit on if you want to, for the cold water.
Do you understand the problem now?
This seems logical though. The whole zipper in the front is.
But that's why the tag is so long.
Almost logical.
So you can
This
pull
is
it up.
and by directional.
You ready?
So ready.
Scared to death?
No, I'm not scared. I ain't scared. I ain't scared.
I ain't scared nothing.
Scared?
I ain't scared.
Keys are in the office. Kelsey, your keys in the office?
There is something under the seat licking us. Did not know that was down there.
I will just tell. Yep.
Swim in that water or swim in that water.
Here we go.
I do.
First step, we're going over that. Over the dam.
I actually thought so for just a minute, but
All right, I got the nose.
it's over that side.
I'm already.
I was gonna say, do your shoulders, because that's where your paddle
That's where
goes.
you're really gonna feel it.
That's the front, so we're gonna sit one on that side, one on that side, one there, and one. It's back paddle to get away from things that, like rocks that might hurt us. 7 or 8 rapids down, there's a 4-foot waterfall. So like when I call get down, something's about to happen.
It's not this kind of get down, it's
Yeah.
this kind of get down.
Is this what you expected it to be?
This is, no, I'm gonna be 100% honest. I thought you just rode in the raft. I didn't know this was like technical.
Oh yeah.
And
Oh no, and it very heavily involves us. What happens?
We have to be on our A game, because if we're
no,
not,
I thought I just rode in the
Basically,
raft.
If you screw up, you kill us at our 20-year anniversary. No pressure.
Well, at least you made it 20 good years.
Did you bring your book to read on this one?
I mean, yeah.
Wine and cheese, I thought.
Wine and
It's in that next
Yeah.
part. But Niagara Falls will be class 7. So 4 and 3 and 4.
Oh, it's cold.
Pump it with your paddle. Stop!
We're so in trouble. Oh my goodness.
All right, here we go. So let's go forward 2. Ready? 1, 2, let's go forward 2. 1, 2, let's stop. Right, forward 1, forward 1. Stop. Good job, y'all. Now look back and watch what came through. See that big ledge? Something called out a waterfall. Come over the ledge.
Rock.
Now back. Get down. Now forward. Forward. Watch the bump. Good job, y'all. Didn't really mean to run it backwards, but sometimes you got to.
We just ran that backwards.
It was like the Titanic.
Lindsay fell out.
Oh, it was so slow motion. It was beautiful. She handled it like a chick. She's like,
If I was gonna put bets on it, I would have. Nathan's gonna ride the bull. Let's go, Nathan.
It's around the corner, but we did.
Am I supposed to one-hand it?
Forward, paddlers, 1. Good. Hold right there. Come on. I'm so sorry. Okay.
I'm not gonna walk.
I'm actually jealous. That looked fun.
It was a lot of fun.
It looked fun. This is your time to pee.
I know, I was just thinking that.
Don't.
Come on. 3, 2.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Normally with paddling, you know, like the nose, you guys, the nose flies up. They're gonna hold the nose down.
Bloodied my nose.
Oh no! You bloodied your nose?
You hit something?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh,
Wow, babe.
Is it broken? Stop! Don't say that. It's not crooked, right?
No, you're fine.
You ready to do a multi-day trip in Colorado?
Yes. That was absolutely incredible. So now I'm like crazy about rafting and I'm thinking of all the places I want to go. I need more recommendations. Put in the comments. Tell me all the best spots to go rafting because it is now on my list. I'm trying to talk Nathan into doing the Grand Canyon because I would love to raft the Grand Canyon. So much fun. Highly recommend it.
The 4 couples here at this cabin are Jonathan and Kelsey from Florida. We got Ben and Michelle, also from Florida. Stuart and Lindsay, who are originally from Ohio, who now have residency in Florida, but we're all in RVs. We all travel, and we're here in this place for Ben and Michelle's 20th anniversary. But that does not mean that we all eat the same way.
What are you talking about?
What? I'm talking about whatever I want.
Want to be in your YouTube?
Oh, what YouTuber? Get that YouTuber. Hey, I saw that cat a minute ago. There it is. Cat. Meow. Come here, buddy. Meow.
You have to give it context. You can't just be like, oh, cat.
So Lindsay's eyes, if she offers to drive your vehicle, make sure she has her glasses on. I don't know how much I can crop this in. I'm gonna get pretty close. This cat does not seem afraid of me. Come here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty. Oh. She came in and was like, did you guys see that cat? It's huge. And then it hopped away. We all ate different ways. So Stuart and Lindsay on a very specific diet called the carnivore diet. Okay, so I guess we can guess what's under this for you. Okay, oh my goodness. Wow. I think they might be doing it right. We'll see who
Mine
wins.
took a little bit longer. Yours looks.
Jonathan and Kelsey left. They're on the eating out diet tonight. Well, are they doing something specific? Paleo?
I don't know, but John has really big muscles and abs.
Whatever John's doing, he's not here for me to show you, but whatever he's eating is probably what we need to be doing.
I have cooked him steak. Just saying.
Oh my goodness, is that mine?
That's what Stuart
Oh my
and Nancy
goodness.
just cooked up.
Nathan's on the everything diet, so he's going to have chili and eggs. And
Yes.
steak.
So they're on carnivore. I'm on the anythingivore. Marissa is on the, what are you on?
Paleo.
Paleo. Ben and Michelle.
Let me just, it's the best diet, okay?
You don't actually have to ask what they're on. They're just going to tell you.
It's part of
That's
the
one of the
diet.
jokes. Isn't that one of the jokes?
Yes.
What?
You go through
How do you know when somebody's vegan?
They'll tell you.
They'll just tell. Yeah.
It's because it's the best diet. If you feel great, the energy's there.
Is this scary?
I don't even know what that is.
Scary to you?
I used to eat that, and now I eat this, so.
But I just think that's so cool that,
Yeah.
like, I think we talk about the RV life all the time that you can sit around a campfire and agree to disagree. Literally, they're like, we're carnivore, we're vegan, but it's like,
Ben
I know,
disagrees,
cooking
but
in
he
the
don't
house.
care.
It's true, yeah. Listen, I let all the other people be wrong. It's fine with me.
It's,
Like,
yeah.
I don't take it
that's-
personal.
Sorry. Cat. So you, just to clarify, you literally only eat meat and what I'm assuming eggs, I guess. Is carnivore okay? Is there anything else? Like milk products? Can you
Stuart
get
eats some dairy.
some dairy?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
and y'all said you feel
Not
so
cheap,
good,
but
right?
simple.
Yeah,
yes.
not cheap.
Well, nothing's cheap anymore.
Beans are pretty inexpensive.
Okay, Ben. All right, Ben. You don't have to ask. They'll let you.
All right, let's go eat. All right, when you have 3 RV moms in here, well, now 4, it's like we're crazy about the kitchen space. Check out all these features in here.
And in this corner,
What?
That's like all the storage I have in my RV.
the whole
so
thing right there.
cool.
Another great feature is the dishwasher.
Yeah. What's a dishwasher?
What's a dishwasher? This thing here.
Wow.
Oh, that's really cool. Look at this though. 2 ovens.
Of course, we had to travel with an Instant Pot.
We're RVers.
Travel with an Instant Pot. Can't leave home without it.
No.
So we decided we'd go on a hike. Drove about 20 minutes. I'll put the name of the hike on the screen. Now it's funny because we came here for the hike, which was beautiful. Trail through the woods, beautiful views of the rolling hills. But our favorite thing has actually been the ropes course that we didn't even know was here. There's just something about messing around with friends on things that could potentially hurt you.
So you have to successfully make it across.
Oh wow, feels like American Gladiator.
Make it to the middle. Make it to the middle. Stuart wins.
All right.
Oh, that gets way harder. Come on, you're almost to the stick. Don't give up.
Oh.
Can you do this by yourself?
I'm gonna watch, but I'm...
Yeah!
What is this?
What are you talking about?
I like a professional.
The world.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Who was shaking the tree?
What happened?
I was laughing way too hard. I was curious if the top was going to be easier or hard.
That was bad. Don't let go!
That really hurt.
Oh
no! Oh no!
I don't know if that was worth it.
We'll get it. We've got flame.
Yay.
Crikey.
Look at that cat.
Where is it?
Right here.
There's a little guy right down at the base of the...
See him?
I did.
I love how she brought a cup to
Oh
catch
my
it.
goodness, are you catching it?
yeah, why not?
To, do a little picture.
Oh, I see his pincers.
In the glass.
You did it. You did it.
You might just pick him up. He probably won't go anywhere.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Want us to grill him up for dinner?
I'm not eating a scorpion.
Oh, sweetheart.
Yeah, for sure. Get it closer.
What is
I didn't have the reaction I wanted.
It's a jumping scorpion.
Is it really a scorpion?
It is a scorpion, yes.
Crikey.
Oh my gosh, where'd you find that?
I heard it's a really good vegan delicacy.
Yeah, I bet it will
wow.
stop on the way down probably.
Stop on the way down.
It's a southern devil scorpion, and their venom is not medically significant. We're gonna relocate it safely over here. Here you go. Here you go, little buddy.
All right, so we're leaving Blue Ridge
It's so
in the mountains of northern Georgia.
I don't want to leave. It's been so fun. Rejuvenating.
We've spent a lot of time in Eastern Tennessee, and this is not a bash on Eastern Tennessee. We love Eastern Tennessee. We still love Eastern Tennessee. Sometimes I'll take maybe 80% of the things to do. You know, there's way more stuff to do in Eastern Tennessee, but the crowds are so much less here. It's just way more relaxing experience. So if you want to save a little money, if you want the mountain experience and you don't want the crowds, I think northern Georgia, I think it's awesome. I think it's been awesome. Definitely check it out. All right, well, we're heading back to Tennessee, back to the kids, back to the chaos. Thank you so much for taking this journey with us today. Until next video, catch you guys later. I miss you.